Hi and welcome back. In this video, let's see how to make potato beans curry in an instant pot. Now let's look at the IP settings. Turn on saute mode and wait for a minute for the inner pot to heat up. Once the pot is hot, add 2 tablespoons of oil and wait for a minute for the oil to heat up. Once oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Add 1 teaspoon of Urad Dal. Add 1 teaspoon of Chana Dal. Add few curry leaves. Add half an onion. Saute the onions till they are soft and mushy. Add salt as per taste to help onions cook faster. Add around 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. And saute this well till the raw smell of ginger garlic paste goes away. Once the ginger garlic paste is sauteed well, add 2 cups of beans. Mix this well. Now add 2 diced potatoes and mix this well. Now add around 2 tablespoons of red chili powder and mix this well and let this fry for a minute. After a minute, add 2 tomatoes diced. And let this saute for another minute. At this point, check for salt. I've let it cook for around 2 minutes and you can see tomatoes are releasing water. Now add another cup of water. Now close the lid and turn off saute mode. Press cancel. And now we will cook this in manual. Turn on pressure cook and set it to 8 minutes. And make sure the whistle is in sealing mode. I have let the pressure release naturally for a bit. Now I'm going to do a quick release. Now open the lid. Potato is cooked well. Now turn on saute mode and I'll let this saute for 10 minutes. Add around 1 tablespoon of coconut powder. And also add around 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. And saute for another 2 minutes. I have let it saute for around 5 minutes and now you can see the oil separate from the gravy. I like it at this consistency, and if you want it a little more thicker you can saute for another 2 minutes. I'm gonna add some cilantro leaves and then turn off saute mode. And now this is ready to be served. This curry will go very well with chapatis and rice.